I did a video of me polishing or shining my brass with some lemon shine and Ajax. And somebody, I was showing a video, of me doing that. And the person I was showing the video was an older fella. And he told me to add some screws and nuts to the jar, and that would shine it better, like your tumbler media, the little rods that you would have. He said just put in some nuts and bolts, and that's what I'm doing here. I want to see if this is gonna work. He said it would work, so I'm gonna try this. I'm trying it with some cases that I found on the street. Drop it. And I want to see if it actually gonna work. Okay, let me get these bolts that I have just dropped, and I'm gonna come back with the camera. Okay, I got those in there. I'm not gonna be doing a lot, but I just want to see if this is going to work. I hope you all saw those. This is the those are some of the casings. Okay, they are rusty. Stuff I found on the street. So we just want to see if this tumbling with nuts and bolts would change. Hold on. If it's gonna help. Okay, I'm gonna shake this for an hour, and I want to see what's gonna happen. After an hour, I'm gonna show you all I'm gonna show you what happens. I'm going to stop this earlier than what I thought. I started noticing some things that was going on with this. We're probably 40 minutes I've been shaking this off and on. And one thing I noticed, when I put those screws and bolts in, they were dirty. And I started noticing as the casings would settle that it looked like it's like sandpaper that was mixed in, and it was kind of scratching the casings. So I said, okay, let me watch that. And then I was also noticing the casings were real shiny. So this is the water, but I think that's mostly dirt from the nuts and bolts that I put in. It's a lot of grass. Watch the bottom of that. See grass and a lot of sand. Now, keep in mind, those were casings that I found on the street. So they were already scratched from vehicles running over them, and just being on the asphalt. But what I did notice, you can see that. This is 30 minutes into this. what I'm gonna do next time, I'm gonna make sure that the nuts and bolts that I start collecting are clean. So let's take a look at these shells right here. Let's pull these out. And I want to say they're pretty shiny. And they are shinier than what I expected. I thought they were being sandblasted, but they weren't. These are pretty, I mean, they are really shiny. Way shinier than what I would normally do. Well, they are. This is one that was damaged pretty bad, and this, take a look at that. All in the cracks and crevices is shiny. So I'm just gonna assume some of the points was hitting those casings. All of those are shiny. Way shinier than what I normally did. So to the old man that gave me, I'm gonna show you all these. I still have these, some of those. I kind of like that. I'm gonna show you a hold tight, huh? These are the ones that I have shined without the metal. These are the ones I have shined with the metal. Only thing I see now is these look kind of pink. They still look kind of like brass, the brass that we normally see. Then again, I guess this would be brass. So these are the ones that I normally use without the metal. These are ones that I use with the metal. At the top on these right here, I can see that there's some discoloration. These are all uniform, no discoloration. I think I like these better than those. The only thing that I do see is it look like they're pink. So what I'm gonna try next time is I'm gonna use nuts and bolts. But I'm just gonna go with dishwashing detergent. No lemon shine. Could be that the lemon shine was reacting with the metal. So I'm gonna do some with the dishwashing detergent just to see. Okay, I have done this little batch, this BATCH, with some ammo that, well, some casings that were on the counter. This was done with just Ajax, and then I put in probably, let's see my fingernail there, that little fingernail. I put in just a pinch a lemon shine. I think with the other, with this, I think I put in too much lemon shine, and it just reacted with the metal. This I didn't really want to put it in there, but I said I put just a pinch, and I think that helped out a lot. I also put in that damaged piece of brass that I showed you. It looked like it was ran over by the cars. I put that in there just to see if this would polish that pink, would get that little pink coating off of the ammunition. So we're gonna see. Also, I'm gonna be looking to see if the top of those 223s still gonna have that mark on them. I'm gonna tell you something. They do look shiny. I shook these for probably, I want to say, right at 50 minutes. The show I was watching it just came on, so we're looking right at 50 minutes. I'm gonna tell you something. I like the way that this look already. These are looking really good. They are shinier than the other ones. The insides are looking good also. Okay. These are looking really good. They really are. So I think that those nuts and bolts helped out a lot. Kind of focus this in so we can see what I'm talking about. Those nuts and bolts helped out a lot. These are really, really shiny. They are. And they look really nice. These are the ones that I think I just put too much lemon shine in it. So we're gonna see the difference. See, those are pink here. These are shiny brass. I like these. These really look nice. I'm still gonna use these. Well, I'm gonna use the 40s and the 9s, but the 223s, I'm gonna throw those on out. But you can see the difference there. So I'm gonna say, wait a minute. Here's that piece. I wanted to see if it was going to get that color back. It didn't, but it did get shinier. It looked like it got shinier. So I'm going to say, if you all are doing your reloading, throw some that tumbling brass shining. Put those try it. I just say try it. I'm not gonna say do it. I never have done it over the years, and I was just talking to a guy, and he told me, hey, throw these nuts and bolts in there to shine them up. So just try it to see if you like it. I don't think it's gonna hurt. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.